Nobody's trying to change the entire industry standards and apply a new frame rate to all films. It's just not going to happen. I think 24 frames is great and will continue to be great. But if you want to go to a higher frame rate, maybe a movie like Avatar, which takes you into an alternate universe, is an appropriate place for a more immersive cinematic experience. The cinematic language of master shots, two shots, over-the-shoulder shots, singles, and inserts is an accepted standard worldwide for the cinematic language, but it's also important to acknowledge that the medium itself and the things like the size of the screen, the aspect ratio, 3D, and many other factors are intimately interwoven with the kind of story the filmmaker wants to tell.
One of the things that golf excels at is it gives our fans on site very close access to the athletes that you don't get in a lot of sports. You're right there, and I think 3D really helps bring that to the television viewer a little bit better as well.
This whole thing is a blank canvas, and there are no rules. So we're making the rules as we go along, and if we do it again next January, I'm sure there's 30 things we'll do differently, but you just can't ever think right down the pipe of a 2D broadcast. Just throw all that out.
It used to start as the sex scene, and then it turns into a gunfight. And then, so we go back and forth, that's how we write. And he calls and he says, no. They're not just, they don't stop to shoot. I mean, they keep doing it while he's shooting everyone.